In 1996, when the Norton Anthology of African American Literature was published, the book's most recent compositions were categorized under Literature since 1970. In 2004, when the second edition of the Norton Anthology of African American Literature was published, the book's most recent compositions were categorized under Literature since 1975. Then, in 2014, when the two-volume third edition of the Norton Anthology of African American Literature was published, the book's most recent compositions were categorized as the contemporary period, including compositions from the mid-1970s to the 2010s. The Norton Anthologies, among other works, prompt us to consider an unanswered African American literary studies question: when does the contemporary period begin? Is it 1970? 1980, 1990, 2000, 2010, or 2020? Figuring out an answer would assist us in organizing works of literature produced over the last 50 years. We might decide, for instance, that compositions published between 1975 and 1995 constitute one era, while works produced since 1996 represent another era. Without an answer to the question of when the contemporary period begins, we will continue to group works published in the 1970s with works produced during the 2000s or 2010s. In other words, we will struggle to organize and categorize publications produced across expansive periods of time.